I'm back with our brain facts. Brain. Test out your brain now. Oh, he will delete. Brain facts. Brain. If you're a brain fact. This is not part of the season. We're gonna talk about that. Let's go out of school. Let's gaze to the sun. Let's gaze to the sun. Yellow is worst. Let's gaze into her. Let's meet this guy over. Hey! What's up? Hello. Brightly lights. What you doing here? I'm just gazing in your window. I come from the sky over 1 billion miles wild. And I came to your room. I will say hello to the sun. Hey. Hi! Okay, now, you look pretty burning. Where did it come from? No, I will swallow the earth soon. What do you say, earth? 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 Wait. Sorry for the knock, so we need to put it. Back to the studio. Hello. Earth here. Earth here. Can you speak? We're in you. You don't notice us? Take this magnifying glass. And you see us? And you see us. You know that? You see us. Wow! Thank you, Luther. Okay, now we can go to the introduction intro. Oh, box TVs. Oh, box TVs. Brain fans, can you test your brain? And this is learning and education. Okay, now. Okay. Voice, how to spell voice? How to spell voice? V O I C E.
Ito can I eat? Okay there.
The sun. Voice of the sun, Luther. Hello. You know that? You know who wrote me? It's Luther. He's the master studio in this place. He wrote everyone. He's writing Earth right now. Yeah. Ma'am. And Mr. Luna. Mr. Luna. Eh, Mrs. Wait a minute. I'm a girl. Okay now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you check out everything? The Magic Well Studio. Is that it for now? Bye-bye.